Here are tips for healthy teeth. Brush twice a day. Brushing twice a day is essential for maintaining healthy teeth. Use fluoride toothpaste and a soft bristled toothbrush to remove plaque and debris from your teeth. Floss daily. Flossing removes food particles and plaque that your toothbrush can't reach. Flossing daily helps prevent cavities and gum disease. Take the right vitamins. Vitamins are an overall important requirement for healthy teeth and gums. The vitamins help in repairing and building connectivity within the tissues. Product link in description. You can check out. Use mouthwash. Mouthwash helps kill bacteria and freshen breath. Use a mouthwash that contains fluoride to strengthen your teeth. Chew sugar-free gum. Chewing sugar-free gum stimulates saliva production, which helps wash away food particles and neutralize acid in your mouth. Limit sugary and acidic foods. Sugary and acidic foods can erode tooth enamel and cause cavities. Limit your intake of sugary and acidic foods and drinks. Drink plenty of water. Drinking water helps wash away food particles and bacteria in your mouth. It also helps keep your mouth hydrated, which is essential for healthy teeth. Visit your dentist regularly. Regular dental checkups and cleanings are essential for maintaining healthy teeth. Your dentist can identify and treat problems early on, preventing them from becoming more serious. Use a mouth guard. If you play sports or grind your teeth at night, consider using the mouth guard to protect your teeth from damage. Quit smoking. Smoking increases your risk of gum disease and oral cancer. Quitting smoking can help improve your overall oral health. Practice good oral hygiene habits. Good oral hygiene habits, such as brushing and flossing regularly, can help keep your teeth and gums healthy. Make sure to brush for at least 2 minutes each time, and don't forget to clean your tongue, too. Make sure to check out the vitamins, link in description. Thanks for watching.